Yes, I can light the whole universe. I am different, I am purpose, I am brilliant. Yes, I feel it.
Hey gorgeous ones. All right, so it's BoxyCharm time. It's BoxyCharm time. Okay, for real, it's BoxyCharm time, and it's time for me to show the boxes, and we do the December giveaway. However, this time we have 2 boxes to give away, and if you would like to find out what's going on with these boxes, just stay here, don't go anywhere. All right, I'm about to fall. Okay, there's a dip in my floor. Okay, so let's talk December boxes. But let me just first get the first box out of the way, and then we'll look at this other boxes. The first box that I'm giving away is the November box. And the reason why is because I still have it. And I have it because the person that actually won did not contact me so I could send it to them. So they have forfeited that box. So here's what so this is how we're going to do that box. Leave a comment in this video. Leave 1 comment only. Do not leave more than 1 comment or I will delete all of your comments. Leave 1 comment and be subscribed to me, and you will receive I will, next week I will go through the comments, I'll use a comment picker and a person will win the November box. If you do not know what's in the November box, I'm going to put it in the cards right here so that you can look it over and see if you want to be in that particular, BoxyCharm. Want to try to win that BoxyCharm. It is open internationally just like it was the last time. So like I said, once again, if you want to, if you want to try to win the November box, please leave a comment in this video, 1 comment only. And next week when I pull for the December box, I will then do a comment picker, and it picks randomly one of the comments in this video, and it will and then I will put on your comments, I will say you're the winner, please contact me and get, you can email me and then you can give me your address. So once again, 1 comment only or I will delete all of your comments and then you won't be in the to win. So there we go. So that's the November box. Boom, done. Now let's get into the December box. All right. So, I get my own personal box and then I get the box that I'm going to give away. Now, let me be honest with y'all. Y'all almost got the one. I almost gave up the wrong. Okay. One of these, I actually have opened both the boxes and one box is better than the other. And I almost kept that box for myself because the box that's actually mine, the box that's actually that I consider mine, comes to my home. I have the box that I have set up to give away every month, goes to my P.O. box. And when I opened mine, it was like, okay. And then I opened the one from the P.O. box and I was like, well, dang, I like this one better. I should keep this. But I said, okay, stop tripping. Stop tripping. You don't need this stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I have more than enough makeup. Yes, I could have used it, but is it necessary for me to keep it? Absolutely not. So with that being said, I'm going to show you my box, which is the want box, and the box that I'm actually giving away. So as always, this is open internationally. You must be a subscriber of mine. The link will be in the description box to, put your name in the giveaway. And let me say this, for international people, I will be shipping it to you. Any duties or anything, I don't cover that. So please be aware that you could, get some import duties and things like that your country will, charge you for this box. So just in case, that even though you're getting a great box, you might have to pay a little money on it. I will, say it ain't worth that much, but I'm just telling you. Okay, so here is, this is the good box. Here's my box. Let me show y'all my box. So I got my box. I was like, okay, I hear some. Okay. So yeah, I opened it up and I was like, well, all right, let's see what we got. First thing I saw was the Pretty Vulgar setting powder, right? Okay, cool. I love setting powders. Good. This is something I want. Yes. Yes. Then I saw this. So this is actually kind of good for me, which is the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. You know I love I love skincare. So skincare, always a good choice. And then they had this in there, which is a Tarte's Shimmering Lip Paint. Now, I'm really not a fan of the Tarte's. I don't really like the Tarte lip paint formula, and honestly I really haven't found any colors that I like. But this one is called Strike Gold, and here it is right here. I am going to put this in my giveaways because no, I don't want it. I mean, it's no. So I'm gonna put that over there. So that goes in with the giveaways. Okay, sorry, I don't know why I have to do that right then. Okay, and then there's like this big thing, and I'm like, what the heck is this? Oh, and then there was a Bodyography lip pencil, and Barely There. I don't need another lip pencil. I'll be putting that in. That will go in there also. And then I looked and I'm like, what is this thing right here? And I see this thing, and then I undid it. That's like, it says It's a Girl World PYT. I'm like, what is this? What is this? And so then I opened. I said maybe it's a brush set because it came like this. I was like, oh, this must be some brushes. And then I opened it, and it's a mini flat iron. Okay. Okay. B got locks. I'm not big on curling my hair, but I said, you know what? Maybe I could use this. So, you know, I'm like, oh, okay. Okay. I don't know if I want it. It might wind up in the giveaway box because this is a mini, and I got a lot of hair, and this thing would drive me insane. But maybe for touch-ups, if I'm out, maybe I need it for touch-ups. Okay, maybe I'll think about that. Okay, so let me see. Maybe I am going to keep this whole box except for those two things. Huh? Let's think about that. All right, so next up is the actual box, and when I opened this, I was like, they might not be getting this. I might switch all this stuff out. And then I said, now, Louise, you so wrong for that. Lulu, stop that mess. Okay, so here's the box. Pretty Vulgar setting powder. Yay! The Bodyography lip pencil. This is in Heather Berry. Okay. And then the Cosmetics Deactivate, the charcoal mask. Yes. And then the lip paint. And this is where it started going, wait a minute, this is kind of cute. Then we got the lip paint. This one is in Insta Famous, right? I'm like, oh, I was like, okay, whatever. And then I took it out. And I said, wait a minute, this is kind of cute. Look at this one. This is much cuter than that one. That little goldy mess like I want. Who wants a... Okay, so anyway. So that's cute. And now next, is a palette. And it's the Suva Beauty Protege palette. I don't have any Suva Beauty. And so I was looking, I said, Suva Beauty? I don't have any of them. I kind of want them. And then I opened it and I said, this is kind of cute, y'all. So it's very cute. And of course, I'm not going to touch it. I guess these are two highlighters. I don't know what it is. I think it's eyeshadows and highlighters, but it just says eyeshadow palette. So I don't know. So anyway, this is the palette. Putting it back in this little plastic bag. Putting it back in here for the person who's going to win, because I did the right thing and I did not switch these up like I almost did. I mean, I really contemplated it, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I contemplated it, and then I said, no, this is not in the spirit of what you are doing. Because some people don't have BoxyCharm, and so let them be great. Let them have a really good BoxyCharm. Lou, you tripping? So this is the BoxyCharm that you will be winning. So if you would like to get in this giveaway, make sure that you put your name. You hit the link in the description box. And you go ahead and enter to win this box. Because it's a really nice box. No lies. So it's really worth it. So good luck to whomever wins. Good luck to everybody who enters. And congratulations to the winner, whoever you may be. All right. It's your Lulu. Be bold. Be brave. Be fearless. Be free. Talk to you later. Oh, wait, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, you got to subscribe if you're going to be in it. Never mind. I took care of that. Don't forget to hit the likes, though. Y'all going to leave comments, though. Okay, I got this all together. Bye-bye.